take a look in here. Alright, we got red and black on the driver and yellow and blue down on the woofer. I've disconnected the woofer. And let's see here. We have a big connector that goes there. Got green. And then blue. Blue is T5. Green is T6. Disconnect the horn. Speaker. What else we got? We got a ground. Ground is T4. Alright. Module's free. Alright. This module is going to need to be completely disassembled. Blue is T3. Brown is T2. Alright, so all of these upper connectors attach to the bottom board. Okay, I peeled off the top layer and here's what it looks like underneath. Okay, on these things, there's a black screw with an insulator. On these, there's no insulator, but there's a little tiny lock washer. And on the LM3886T power modules, there is a lock washer on top of an insulator, on both sides, of course. And it looks like there's lock washers and insulators on all these little guys. Okay, this standoff has a lock washer and it goes in the center hole here. Alright, here's the bottom of the circuit board. I don't see anything obvious, so I'm going to have to resolder everything.